Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I went viral on TikTok. I did it 3 times now. The first time 1.1 million views, the second time 4.7 million views, and the third time 1.4 million views. I guarantee by the end of the week I'm also going to have another viral video by doing the exact strategy I'm about to share with you guys right now. But before I get into that, make sure you guys go smash that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and on my channel I'm documenting myself growing from 0 followers to 1 million followers, giving you guys away all the information that I have for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I'm giving you guys my analytics, the best time I post, the best posts, the trends I'm seeing, everything you could ever ask for. If you guys want to grow your channel for either yourself or for a brand, I'm giving it away all for free, so make sure you guys subscribe. That being said, going viral on TikTok is literally the easiest thing in the world. You guys have to do 2 things. 1, duet people that are on the For You page that you see putting out great content. 2, literally just copy posts from the For You page. You'll see trends that are happening. Copy those, do those for yourself, put your own spin on it. Make sure you guys are using the trending hashtags and hashtag FYP and hashtag TikTok. Then that's the main thing that you need to do. The other thing that you need to make sure you're doing is posting at the right time. It's from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. on the East Coast. You can adjust that for whatever time zone you're in, but you need to be posting all your content from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. and you need to be posting 6 to 10 times during that period. I need you guys to post a ton of different times. I don't care if you're reposting old videos. If you have a video that goes to like 10, 20,000 views, that's proof that that video is gonna work eventually. So make sure you guys keep reposting that, and eventually it's gonna go viral. Honestly, going viral is about 2 things, right? It's about 1, doing the right thing, and then 2, getting lucky. I just gave you guys all the right things to do. It's exactly what I'm gonna do to have my next viral video over the next week. So make sure you guys go do that. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this, and DM me on Instagram. Tune into my TikTok live. I go live at 8 p.m. every single day to interact with my fans. Guys, if these things work for you, let me know. I get Instagram DMs almost every day. 1 to 5 people hit me up and say, yo, I did what you said on TikTok. I'm blowing up. I did this, I did that. And trust me, these people are no smarter than you and I, so you guys could do it too. Just make sure you follow those directions, and also go check out my 0 to 1 million playlist. I'm sure there's a ton of information there for you guys if you guys are trying to grow a YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok channel. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe.